I'm Richard Thorsey, and people call me Rich. Well, it was incredibly painful after a weekend of golf and hiking. So I really could not even go to work. I mean, I had to be in court. I'm a lawyer. I had to be in court. Couldn't get up to get to court. It was probably an 8 out of 10. And it was in this inner part of my knee called the meniscus. And I knew what it felt like because when I was doing karate as a younger man, I had torn my meniscus in the left side. So it was a meniscus tear, and it was shredded, and I could not function. It was affecting every aspect of my life. The pain was so bad, it was an 8 out of 10 on the pain scale. Well, I heard about Icarus because I'm local in Charlottesville, and I knew some of the people here. And I was in so much pain, and I had to get to court. So I came by, and they were very kind. They gave me an off-the-shelf brace right away so I could even function. And I used that to get around until they could make me a brace that was tailored to my needs. I came into the office, and they scanned my knee. And from that scan, within a couple of weeks, they provided me with a custom brace with my name on it and everything else. It was wonderful. Life since having the brace has been much better because I can do what I love to do. For example, golf, 18 holes would be out of the question without the brace because you get out of the cart, you walk, you hit the ball. The pressure on the inside of a right knee on a golf swing is tremendous. So without the brace, I couldn't do what I love to do, which is play golf.